A powerful Category 4 hurricane is closing in on Hawaii. Right now, Hurricane Lane is within 180 miles from Hawaii's Big Island.
CBS 4's Mireya Villarreal is in Maui, where the wind and rain are picking up.
We do not want to see what happened in Puerto Rico.
Honolulu Mayor Kirk Caldwell warned Hawaiians Wednesday to take Hurricane Lane seriously. It threatens to bring catastrophic flooding, monstrous surf, and powerful winds.
We'll be ready for this, and we'll be working on the recovery response mode should the worst occur.
Satellite images taken from space show the massive storm churning in the Pacific Ocean. Government scientists Wednesday released this video as they flew into the eye of the hurricane.
I think it's going to be bad to an effect that us locals never experienced before.
People on the islands rushed to get supplies, filling up grocery carts and emptying store shelves. Several businesses also placed sandbags in an effort to prevent flooding. It's been a summer of destruction on Hawaii's Big Island, where the Kilauea volcano destroyed more than 700 homes since May. Up to 2 feet of rain could now hit that same region, and potentially deadly flooding and mudslides are a major concern. The only hurricane to make landfall in state recorded history is Hurricane Iniki, a Category 4 storm back in September 1992. Maui's mayor said they haven't faced a hurricane of Lane's magnitude before.
This is the most serious potential that I've seen, and I've been alive 63 years.
The U.S. Navy has moved its ships and its submarines out to sea and away from the storm's path. This is the second major storm to threaten the Hawaiian Islands in the last 2 weeks, and Hurricane Lane is already more powerful and closer to the Hawaiian Islands than the last storm, which was Hurricane Hector. Mireya Villarreal, CBS News, Maui, Hawaii.